So I had an experience earlier this year that I thought might be important for you to understand about what is happening in the homeowners insurance space could be affecting you if you're thinking about buying or selling a house. We got a personal, like on our personal property that we own, we got a notice from our insurance saying they were dropping us because our home, which is very well kept, was in disrepair. They'd come and they had inspected and decided we were not upkeeping our property because it had leaves in the gutters. That was literally the whole reason that they dropped our insurance. We're seeing insurance prices going up, people getting dropped from their insurance for no good reason. And I wanna make sure you know how that affects you if you're thinking about buying or selling a house, or even if you're just living in one. But number one, right now with the rates the way that they are, buyers' budgets are a little bit tighter. Prices are still increasing on homes, mortgage rates aren't falling, and so cost of owning a home, buying a home is still high. If the insurance numbers push them out of their bracket and ability to get a mortgage, that creates a problem. We've seen deals fall apart because buyers can't get insurance in their budget. And so that's number one. Buyers' budgets are tighter because of those insurance. Now, number two, sellers. How's it affecting sellers? Higher insurance costs could mean lower offers. We're not seeing that in Nashville a ton, but you just need to be aware of it. If you're a seller thinking about selling your home, make sure you know what are buyers' insurance quotes gonna look like. You can do that proactively. You can, like we love doing that, providing that to the buyer to help them find a company that'll actually insure the house and one that would be within their budget. Then the other thing, if you have a home that's in a high risk area, floodplains, things like that, that is going to drastically affect your market value when insurance companies are pulling out of those areas, not offering coverage because of all these crazy 100-year occurrences that we've had in Nashville multiple times in the last decade, 20 years. It's harder and more expensive to get insurance. So just know that if you're in a floodplain or in a high-risk area of some kind, it's gonna be harder to get insurance. It's gonna be a lot more expensive. And so you need to keep that in mind as you're marketing your home. And then number three, it's just kind of overall playing into this market confidence. Are we confident? Are we feeling like the economy is great? The uncertainty that different insurance changes are creating are just adding to that. So, some buyers are pausing their search over this, or, like a lot of sellers are questioning, is this the right time to really get into it? But it's still a great time to buy. It's still a great time to sell. You just need to know some things. And this one piece of the process that used to be like in the back burner and we didn't even think about it. It was almost like, oh, I'll call the day before closing and get insurance. Okay, let's bring that a little more forward. Sellers, we need to be more proactive about this. Buyers, we definitely need to know what our insurance costs are going to be and can we afford that in our ratios to still have a mortgage. And it's just something that is worth strategizing. So if you're thinking about buying or selling a house, I'm Tiffany Fykes, and I would be happy to have somebody on our team meet with you and really strategize on how do we make sure that this insurance piece that used to be no big deal is still no big deal and keeps you moving towards selling your home.